Hey guys! It's Chloe here with
Michael
and
Daniel.
Today we're making fluffy slime. Hold up. If you aren't part of the family, make sure to go subscribe and turn the notifications on. So let's go. Okay, so first we're going to pour our glue.
Our 1 cup of glue.
Yeah, 1 cup.
This is oddly satisfying. You want to make sure you get all of your glue in the bowl.
Yeah. And Gabby will come around and help us. Hold on, Michael. And then
Yeah, I'm not going to do that anymore. Can you take this off, please?
Just 3. I'm just doing yellow. You just want attention. You don't want now. Okay, now we're adding our food coloring.
Yay!
Yeah.
I need
Do purple. Maybe use red and blue.
Oh yeah. No, I don't want to. I'll make it anyways. I don't care.
No. It's red. It's red. It's red.
So
if you want orange, it's red.
Why can't I use them both at the same time?
Go ahead.
Okay, it's not gonna be orange.
Yeah.
Don't use too much of one color. Use acceptance.
Yeah.
I want a sun yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Imagine I switch the caps.
Be like, okay, so we're using.
Go ahead and mix.
Some of it got on
Yeah,
the
mix
table.
really good. Michael, you added too much. See, it's just gonna be green.
It looks like that one candy cane.
We're gonna scrape the sides
Get close to that.
so we can get all the glue off.
You need some sour. How much you made?
Okay, so we ended up with these colors.
Yeah.
I got a sunshine yellow.
I
That's why
got
I
violet
got a
colored.
mint green, like chocolate chip mint, and Daniel got some violet.
Violet.
Okay, so now we
Yes.
have to add the shaving cream. So before you add your shaving cream, you have to give it a good shake. Okay, here, let's
3,
move the
2,
spoon.
1, go. Mix it around.
Oh my
God.
That's good. That's good.
Is it hard? There you go. Here.
We mix it?
Is that
Yeah.
good?
Okay.
With the shaving cream?
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna start fluffing up. Oh my god, this smell! My,
It smells like.
it smells like mint.
Oh my goodness. Should I add more shaving cream?
There we go.
That's
Because I want a sun. I don't want it too bright. I got a really foamy one. My slime is really foamy.
You see?
Look at that. It's kind of getting hard to mix. It's kind of getting softy.
Softy.
But try to mix it. It's kind of hard.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna add our contact solution.
Is this still recording?
You can add
again because
mix it. Got the solution. Again, you don't want that much because it's gonna make it hard. Mix it good. Look at
My
that.
favorite, guys. Look at this.
Fluffy slime is kind of better than.
more, Michael.
Look at this.
Mix it or
No.
more. Look at this. It's super fluffy. It is. Look at it. Oh yeah, that's fluffy. That's what I call.
Look at
fluffy
this.
slime.
Oh, it's
Okay, guys, it's time to go in with our hands.
Let's go.
It's gonna be.
Oh, it's fluffy. Oh my.
Get it. Oh my gosh, guys.
Don't worry if there's a mess.
You could clean it up with the slime.
No.
No,
We're gonna make a
not
bigger
yet.
mess than we already made. This is fluffy.
Oh, it's so
Michael, move the ball, baby.
Gabby, let's do
Do you need help, Nigel?
Oh
my gosh,
so cool. It's like
It looks like we're making pizza dough.
yeah.
5 minutes later.
Oh, this hurts.
Oh my god, oh my god,
Daniel,
oh my
what
god,
happened?
oh my god,
What happened?
oh my god.
It's like good. And then I want my slime like
You need
kind
more
of
like
sticky still.
Daniel?
No, because if we have to do, then I'm going to go back to glue. Oh my god. I'm going to go back to glue. See what we do.
I'm like the slime
Oh my
monster
God.
right now.
My arms hurt.
Need help?
Yeah, I'm good. This slime are bigger. Oh.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Put that one together.
Whipped cream. Oh, fluffy! It's so fluffy! I'm taking the knife and go.
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Go like this.
Do the outro. Do the outro. There, outro than that.
So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what is your favorite color.
Thank you guys for watching. And bye! Say bye. Bye!